Dear former admissions officer, surprise, it's me again. Hi, I'm Steve Hahn, and I'm a former admissions officer from the University of Chicago, and I now work as a senior strategist here at Crimson. Dear FAO, summer is approaching, and I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm about to be a junior, and I keep hearing about how important summers are for college applications. We have some family vacations, but I feel like I should be doing more. What should I do, Bobby? Hey Bobby. First off, I'll say family vacations are extremely important. So please do not worry about having to sacrifice your family vacation or family time for summers to make sure that you still have a good or fruitful summer for college admissions specifically. When we're thinking about summers are an extremely versatile and useful time during your college admissions journey. So don't worry too much about whether or not you feel like family time is going to impede on the full effectiveness of it. Summer can be used for a lot of things. I will say that the summer program route is the most common one that we see for successful applications. So that might be something you're gonna wanna look into. And know that summer programs last from any time, some of them start in May even, and they go all the way up until end of August, early September even sometimes. So you have a huge time frame in there. Some summer programs are really long, like Ross, for example, is a math summer program that's 10 weeks, I believe. Whereas some of them are a week long, some of them are even like 3 days. Some of them are asynchronous, some of them are digital, like Zoom meetings, some of them are in person. So it all depends on what you're looking for, but also what fits into your schedule. Know that with your family vacation, you probably will be able to find some summer programs that will be able to fit into your schedule. And ultimately, what we want as admissions officers is to know that you've just done something with your summer and that you're taking advantage of that kind of exploratory learning that's best done through these types of programs. Again, if it's a week-long program or if it's a 10-week-long program, both are great, and it just matters about what makes the most sense for you and your schedule. Summertime is also a really great time to catch up on academics. It's a great time to do test prep to prepare for the SAT in the fall or the ACT in the fall. It's a great time to prepare for if you're doing any kind of math competition or academic competition. It's a great time to start thinking about studying for that and preparing for that as well. So know that there's a lot of ways to take advantage of the summer without feeling like it's that you're not doing anything, even if it is just like ultimately a 3-day program that you've done. What you do at the program matters more than the actual program itself. So I hope that's helpful. I'll note that summer program applications do close in the early parts of the calendar year. So some have rolling admissions. Whatever time you happen to be watching this video, what I would recommend is look for the programs that you like and see if their applications are still open. And if not, try to aim for them next year. I wish you the best of luck with your summer. I hope you have a wonderful and safe trip with your family. And if you have more questions about how to best utilize your time while you're in high school, leave questions like that in the comments below.